Hi guys, it's Beacon. Look at him. This pup is crazy. And guys, I might have not looked like a 9-year-old, but pretty short, so. I look like a 7-year-old or an 8-year-old, but I'm turning 10 in September, so. He's watching like, what is going on here? Hey! 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 No! Well, that's all for today, guys. I'm gonna have a little problem with this little dog. And can you be quiet? Like, shut up. So that's all for today, guys. Let me know if you would like me to do any other videos, and just comment down below if you have a pet and is it crazy or is it calm. I love you guys.